Aning shampoo eh.
Mamaya pa yan eh.
Buti nga, nauna ako dito. Wala na palang upuan.
Oo nga eh.
Ito na lang po kayo para mas...
Mayor, yung sa EB Olympics natin, Mayor, kung merong isang player sa yellow team, yung talagang kalaban ng red, sino palagay po?
Maganda yun. Sino kaya? Sino kaya, Mayor?
Gusto nyo bang magkasakitan tayo?
Reliance Street. So I'm so excited. See the place we're going. Ayan po, sumakay kami sa MRT para makapagod to the place. So let's watch and see. Yes, now we're here. This is what we are excited to. We want to watch live the Eat Bulaga show. Taping yan, taping ko yan. Nasa off-cam po kami, off-camera. Nakikita natin yung mga galawan nila when they are in off-camera. Nandiyan si Miles, si Raisa, and the singing queen. Of course, we're going to wait for Miss Atasha. And she's here also. Nice to see them. They're all beautiful. Love them.
Good morning.
Ayan. Nandiyan si Ryan. And then, wow! It's Atasha now. Wow. Pero off-cam pa po sila this time. And this is the taping.
Pero may kausap pa din.
For next week. Para i-live po. Para i-show nila. But after the taping, we will now live in just a few minutes. Ayan po sila when they are off camera.
O, sobra naman dito.
Then, meron din silang super bahay. They are in another place. Semana.
O, diba? Parang chinang namin ang kwenta.
Consistent naman kayo.
Good luck sa inyo. Ay, isa pa daw, nag-request. Isa pa. May isa pa daw. Ha? May nalalang Team Blue.
Ayan po kami. Nadun din po kami sa other side. Pero sa sponsor. Okay, yan po si Joey and Tito Sen. Still off company. I know. Oo. Nasa ano na po sila. Naka-live po. Sorry. Ayan. It's so good bahay. Ayun lang po ang nagaganap pag may off camera at dating and live po. Kilos at ganap dito sa Bulaga. Okay? Ayan po, meron silang guest na bata contestant na sumali po sa Sugod Bahay. Ayan lang po yung mga kanila when they are on time.
Ayan, carrots. Malalim yan.
They have also Bulaga Olympics. Ito po yung off-camera. Kasi malapit na po yung therapy. Isang portion po ng show nila is for the therapy. Therapy, sorry. Nagpe-prepare na po yung mga singing queens. Then they have the giving part. Ito po yung very exciting part. The audience also participating. Okay? So, pa yung per family. Two families.
Inaayos ko yung mga pamilya sa likod.
Lalaban-laban.
Kung sakasakali, ikaw, walang mga may
Okay, hi Ryan. Then, nakipag-picture po ako. Family participate sa giving prize. They're so energetic.
Acosta family.
Oh, ayan po, may mga nagaano sa amin, nagawin namin niya, magpalakpak. Ayan, here's one of my kasama po, friends, na nag-join sa Gimme 5. At sinagot po niya yung blank. And then, siya po yung nanalo. Isa, kasama ko. Won, hi, congrats, Ate Lisa. Ayan po ang Gimme 5. Then, eto na po yung kanyang therapy. At yung portion, hindi po natapos siya. But, mga masugid na nanonood ng Bulaga. Really, what's this therapy all about? Okay, hanggang dyan na lang po. That is the only I can share with you. At ito po, mga pictures sa aming kuha while we're still in Bulaga during the commercial break. Ayan po, kasama namin ang isang singing queen, si Jean. And then, yan po. So, happy to be part of this Bulaga. And we hope we can go back and see and join also the contest. Thank you!